Hello, I'm gonna be showing you how you can fix a very common problem with Shopee. A lot of people got banned from Shopee for multiple reasons. One of the reasons is they are getting a refund, like they are opening disputes multiple times, and there are other reasons. So I'm gonna be showing you how you can get unbanned from Shopee in just a few clicks. Okay, just follow the steps in this video. By the way, you can do the exact same steps inside your phone. You just need to open your phone, okay, click on profile, and you want to click on question mark in the top right. Okay, just click on the question mark, or you can just open your browser inside your phone or laptop. You can open like your Chrome or whatever and search for Chrome PH customer service. Okay, Shopee PH customer service, sorry. Okay, this is exactly what you need to search for inside your browser. Okay, so you want to click on the first result, which is customer service. How do I contact Shopee? Now, after you are in this page, you just need to search here where it says search button. You want to search for appeal. Okay, you want to search for appeal. Now, after that, you want to select this one where it says why is my account being limited. Okay, so after you do that, you just need to scroll down, and then they will show you the steps you need to do to contact Shopee directly. Now, if you scroll down, it says here go to Meet tab. Okay, just go to Meet tab in your Shopee app. Okay, at the very bottom right, you will be able to see the Meet tab, and after that you want to scroll down and click on Chat with Shopee. Okay, click on Meet tab, and at the bottom you will see Chat with Shopee, and after that click on Appeal for account. Okay, then select account, appeal account suspension. So that's all you need to do. As you can see, all the instructions are here. Chat with Shopee, and then you want to send the appeal here. Click on appeal for account, just type here appeal for account, click on the arrow to send it. Now the next thing you need to do is select appeal account suspension. Now they will ask you for your ID. Okay, just keep that in mind. They will ask you for your ID. Just need to provide your ID, and after that make sure you send the correct ID. After that, after a few hours, they will unban your account. Now, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. So just let me know in the comments exactly the reason for your suspension, and I will try to reply to you with a solution. Please drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.